So this is the first time I've ever actually been able to identify the cause of a tire puncture. So we see a fat nail right there. I used some soap and it bubbled up over that nail and it really exposed it. It's remarkable. And I'm going to plug it with this repair kit. It has instructions on the back. Basically you just put cement all over the little plugger and stick their tool in there. Well, first you clean it out with this, I guess, router or whatever it's called. And then you put one of the little stems on this other tool and stick it in and pull it out really quickly. And then you cut off whatever excess and let the rest wear off over time. Son of a gun. Wow. Look at this nail. Look at this. This was in my tire. Oh my God. Wow. Terrible. Bye-bye, tire. Now we rough it up and clean it out with this. Nice. I'm in there now. So there it is, about 2/3 inflated, and I don't hear any hissing. So I'm going to wait till tomorrow to fill it up all the way and maybe test it with some soap if it holds. Looking good so far, knock on wood.